Welcome to today's video. We shall be discussing the topic I have titled, Kindergarten and the Foundation of Learning. The foundations of learning begin in kindergarten. Learning literacy, math, and science are all very important skills that can be taught at an early age. Kindergarten is the gateway to a child's education and sets the foundations for learning. This is why it is important for parents to ensure their children are well prepared for the new environment ahead and ensure that proper research is done in choosing a kindergarten for their children. Every child must have a productive kindergarten experience in order to become a successful school leaver and adult. The best way to prepare your child for this is to learn more about kindergarten education foundations. Kindergarten is a child's first school formal experience. In the first 5 years of a child's life, the brain grows about 6 sizes. Kindergarten teachers are highly trained professionals who work to meet the needs of each and every student in their classroom. Kindergarten consists of social skills, reading, writing, math readiness, science, social studies, arts and crafts, physical activity, etc. Kindergarten education marks the transition from home to school and represents a time of growth and change for children. Kindergarten is a special experience for young children. It's the foundation for all their future learning, and it's where they'll start to develop their own personality and character. If it goes wrong, it will have a negative impact on their higher education. Hence, as parents, we have to ensure our children get the best of kindergarten education. Kindergarten is an important milestone in a child's life. It is the first time that a child will spend the majority of time learning away from their parents. In kindergarten, children are expected to take more responsibility for themselves, and this can present some challenges for parents and teachers. Kindergarten empowers students with the tools they need to succeed in school and in life. Trying to prepare your child for kindergarten can be difficult if you don't know what to expect. A kindergarten curriculum is broken into 3 main subject areas: math, literacy, and science. Each subject has its own goals that align with the overall goal of teaching the foundations of learning. Kindergarten teachers focus on getting children ready for elementary school by introducing them to concepts, theories, and skills that will be used in all other grades and subjects. While it can sometimes be difficult for preschoolers to grasp these concepts, by the end of kindergarten they should have a firm understanding of them. In conclusion, the first thing parents have to recognize is that time in kindergarten is not wasted time. The role of kindergarten teachers is to prepare students to engage in more advanced learning. Therefore, while kindergarten focuses on basic skills, it also lays the foundation for later years of education. We shall be discussing more on the importance of kindergarten education on this channel. So please subscribe and click the notification button so you do not miss the next video. Thanks for watching.